Yeah, okay, ready to go camping. Puppy dog's in. Yeah, puppy dog's in. Got the coffee ready. Already had pies, so. And I'm set up to go. Fridge has been on overnight, on 0 both sides. Battery monitor is, it was 78% when I got up. Battery monitor is 76% now. Yeah. All the gear in here, food, lures for fishing, solar panel, dog containers and a bucket, a bit of detergent in there, knives and yeah, hammers, everything's up here, so ready to go. Macrossan Park. We're here. Warning sign about crocs. Never seen any, but I'm heading just down. That's the Burdekin Bridge just there. We're heading down now to the sand. Bit windy. Don't use the wind slayer much anymore. It overheats the GoPro. It's set up. Looks like I'm at a bit of an angle. I'm going to set that up. That's my Motop 180-degree awning. Just charging my mate's battery up with my solar panel. Shower tent on the back. Just going to do a bit of fishing in a minute.
Got one lot of lights up.
Okay, this is our camp mark 2. We decided to get off the sand because everybody coming down was getting bogged. And we had to lower our tyre pressures down to around 15 to get out. But there's another vehicle still stuck down there. They've tried pulling it out, but it's not moving anywhere, so I don't know what's wrong with it. They certainly would have got out if there's nothing wrong. But yeah, windy. Certainly putting it to the test. Flat area. Toilet block is just up here. There is a water tank, but it's not potable water. You can have a shower up there. Rubbish bins. That's the railway bridge down there. And the road bridge is over there. Windy, but jeez. Hope it doesn't get too much windier. Can't even put the drone up, it's so windy. Yeah, we just tried a hand at fishing, but not even anyone's followed it. We were over the sand on the other side this morning. We can come back over here. But yeah, at least the dogs are enjoying themselves. The bank's very steep, get up and down. Yeah, we're gonna head back tomorrow. Chennai Street, that's enough. Wildflowers, so dry. Castor oil tree and the wattles over here flowering. I don't think they're wattles, just get a flower. Imagine how things grow in this bush. Dry, desolate place. Got a motorbike coming down. Turn it off. Nearly out of battery in this. Head back and have a beer.